subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo launched its new mid-range smartphone under F series in India called Oppo F23 with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo F23 features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo F23 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, along with a 2MP macro lens with up to 40x magnification support, and there is another 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 67W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box based on ColorOS 13.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 8.2mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo F23 5G has been priced in India at 24,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 18th in cool black and bold gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo F23 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.